I need to have a big meal today. Curious and strange, why is one box missing from my can?
Are you sure you remember correctly?
I remember correctly. There were originally 10 boxes, but now there are only 9 boxes left.
Can it be left at home?
Impossible. Sweetie was still by my side at the time, so I wouldn't have been wrong. Is that right, Sweetie?
It should be. That's strange. Now there are only a few cats in the room. No other cats have come in before.
Miss Sweetie, considering that you haven't had much popularity lately, so we have decided to terminate the contract with you.
Boss, please don't do this. I've been working hard lately rehearsing. I have also developed a new dance. If you don't believe me, I'll show you now. Do I dance well? I can dance another song.
Miss Sweetie, you don't have traffic. The company has no reason to train you anymore. Unless
Unless what?
Unless you can get me a can of cat cans.
Where can I get you such expensive things?
Your best friend barely a big family and a big business. There won't be any problem if you steal one.
Sweetie, are you okay? Leaving so soon?
Oh, well.
But where will this can go?
I remember before we got into the car, who had put the cans in the trunk. Have you seen it?
I don't know, don't ask me.
Why are you so nervous?
Brother Wu, I'll leave this project to someone else.
Why? I've already put in so much effort, how can I just give it to someone? Do you have any ideas?
I heard that the project leader likes to eat canned cards. Why don't you get him one?
Canned food is so expensive, where can I find a way?
That's all I can say.
I think there's something fishy about this matter. Someone must have taken it.
Let's do this. We all close our eyes now and turn off the lights. Those of us who took the cans will put back in Bally's tin can. We'll turn on the lights and open our eyes in 5 minutes. If the can comes back, we won't pursue it.
Okay, that's it. Someone's by my side, they met me. Shit, the cans are all gone.
Fuck.